ever wanted to move your PC around easily? This is the CH160 Plus, a mini ATX portable case from the DeepCool family, ready for a full PC build. Let's get into it. Once the side panels are off, we can remove the top panel, which comes with a built-in handle and a full-length removable dust filter. With the I/O panel out of the way, we get access to the removable bottom dust filter. The CH160 Plus can hold power supplies up to 140 millimeters in length using this mounting bracket, with support for both ATX and SFX PSUs. At this point, we can reach the front panel's removable dust filter, but as you can see, the whole build would probably need to be disassembled to access it. The case can support both micro ATX motherboards and mini ITX motherboards, and it can also hold GPUs up to 342 millimeters. Next up, for the motherboard, we're using the MSI B650M Gaming Plus Wi-Fi, and for storage, we're installing a 1TB M.2 NVMe solid-state drive. To go with this motherboard, we're running two 16GB Predator memory sticks and a Ryzen 7 9700X processor. To cool the 65-watt CPU, we're using the MSI MAG CoreFrozr AA13. Rated for 240 watts TDP, it gives us plenty of thermal capacity, and with thermal paste pre-applied, it's an easy installation.
And to celebrate, PC One Hub just completed its first year, and it's all thanks to your support. So we're giving away 2 MSI CPU coolers like this one to 2 of our subscribers. Participating is simple. 1, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. 2, leave a comment telling us if you prefer air or liquid cooling, or just share your thoughts on this build. The first winner will be announced 30 days after this video is published, and the second 20 days later. That's it. We'll randomly select 2 winners from the comments below. For more details and conditions, check the pinned comment.
Moving on to the power supply, we're using a fully modular 80+ gold 850 watt unit from Thermaltake. It's important to note that DeepCool recommends a maximum PSU length of 140 millimeters. Anything longer could interfere with the front fan installation, as the PSU mounting brackets are not adjustable. To handle airflow inside, we're using Thermaltake SWAFAN EX12 120mm fans with interchangeable blades. The CH160 Plus includes brackets for mounting a 120 or 140mm front fan, or they can be used to install either an SSD or a hard drive. Just follow the guide markings on the brackets. You might want to install the front fan before connecting your PSU cables to avoid interference. We learned that the hard way on this build. At the back of the case, we're installing an exhaust fan aligned with the CPU cooler, leaving enough space in case we decide to add a second fan for the CPU later. At the top, we're installing 2 intake fans to maintain positive air pressure inside. And we'll be using the interchangeable blades to achieve the reverse fan configuration while keeping the RGB facing inward. The fans are mounted directly to the case bracket, which supports 2 120mm fans or up to a 240mm radiator. it's time for the graphics card. We're installing the ASUS Prime Radeon RX 9070 XT with 16 gigabytes of VRAM, designed to deliver solid performance at 1440p, and also ready for gaming in 4K. As you can see, DeepCool designed the CH160 Plus to keep the clean, compact look of the original CH160, while adding support for micro ATX motherboards and up to 240mm liquid cooling. But if you prefer beefier GPUs and 360 AIOs in a compact case, click the next video and check out our build in the DeepCool CH260. And remember to subscribe and leave a comment to enter our giveaway, where 2 subscribers will each win an MSI CPU cooler.